Good evening, guys. Cesar 16 here with a new pre-analysis for London and New York. Right now, I'm showing my higher time frame chart. I'm showing this chart once again because we are just starting a new week and because I'm still looking for the same thing overall. Alright, that's the good thing about doing analysis from starting at the higher at a higher time frame. Okay, so looking at this weekly, just like I said last week, I want the prices right now mitigating the range, and we may see the price going back down here to maybe see, since the price is bullish, we may see the price going up right after that, or it's gonna keep going down to maybe, for the next 2 years, manipulate this low right there, which would form that would complete my whole pattern, which is range, initiation, mitigation, continuation. But as I always say, that pattern happens all the time. For example, here we got a range. The price initiated to the upside, went back down to mitigate it, to then go back up to take that high, which was the target, and it was the same pattern. The same pattern happens all the time. Like for example, here we got the same thing: range, initiation, and then maybe we may see a mitigation here to then see a possible continuation. Another example, the price came from up here, right? And then here created a range to then initiate to the upside, to then come back down here to mitigate it, to then go back up, targeting the high. It's the same pattern over and over again in all time frame. You can see that pattern happening all the time, but the higher the time frame is, the more time it's gonna take for the pattern to be complete. Okay, so the price, as I said, is mitigating a range right now, and I'm expecting a bearish reaction from up there. All right, as I said, on on Thursday, I think it was, I upload my pre-analysis, but as I said, I wasn't gonna take any entries on Friday because I don't trade Fridays anymore. But as you guys can see, I had the bad luck. On Friday, the price showed a really good price delivery. The price was pretty clean. Okay, the price mitigated this range here. See the same pattern here. The price mitigated this range and manipulated that low and showed me that it didn't want to continue going up. Okay, and the price during New York created that buy opportunity right there, which one worked out perfectly. And right after the price went up, the price went back up to the 50% and created a sell opportunity right there, which one it is actually still playing out. That would be the target. I would be holding that trade right there. So that it's funny because I stopped trading on Fridays this and last week, and in the same week the price just showed me a good price action and even provide 2 entries for me, and I didn't take any, but I had to follow my rules, so it's fine. Okay, so in general, because of what I explained, I'm looking for sells from up here. Why? Because we are in high prices and the price is still mitigating the higher time frame range that I showed you guys before. Okay, also we may see a reaction to the upside right there if the price manipulate that low and slow down, and if it shows that it doesn't want to continue going down. Okay, we may also see the price going down here to provide the same opportunity, a buy opportunity. The price would be located in low price, plus it would be mitigating that range right there, and that's when the pattern comes in once again. Okay, of course I'm not looking you know, to hold the whole thing. I'm just looking for 40 pips, but that's like another sample of what's the pattern that I always look for. Okay, so that's another buy opportunity right there. Okay, so two buys opportunity right there. We got sells up here. What else? We may see a sell opportunity right there. So to give you a quick sample of, you know, more or less how I look at the price, for example, we may see the price keep going down, right? To go down here to mitigate this range here to create a buy opportunity. And if that buy opportunity shows up, let's say if it happens to the London, that buy opportunity is gonna send the price back up to the new 50%, and that pullback right there may create a sell opportunity that I'm gonna be looking for right after, following the bearish direction and the higher time frame mitigation. Okay, so that's pretty much what I'm gonna be looking for tomorrow in general. Okay, maybe buys that may look like that, or sells that may look just like that. If the price goes back, if the price goes down here, the price is gonna be rebalancing the swing, and we may start seeing bullish structure to the upside following the bullish volume or the bullish intention that the price has been showing for the past 2 weeks. But we also have confluence that are telling us that the price may want to go lower, but that depends. The price does whatever it wants. I'm just here to react to whatever the price shows me that it wants to do. So yeah, guys, this is my pre-analysis, and let's see how this week goes. Take care.